The poem recollects that along with other siblings, he used to sleep in their bedroom, and this incident he is recollecting that his mother used to take a close look of the poet especially, and when her mother she used to leave the room, once again she used to take a look, and the expression was, the poet says, her expression was that she is departing from her children for a long time, for a long span of time, because till dawn she is going to be separated from them, from her children. She was so caring, so lovable, and so sweet. So with the tinkling of the rains through the last two lines, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. That means with the sound of pitter patter or the tinkling sound of the rain, today the poet is recollecting all the old memories, all his childhood days, and nostalgia. Nostalgia has captured the mind and soul of the poet. So this is the poem, Rain on the Roof. It is a very simple poem, and the lines or language or diction that is lucid. Flow is there, and through this lucid language and through the easy manner, the poet is very much successful to convey a message to the readers about his mental state in a rainy night in his cottage, cozy cottage, and only he is recollecting the past days. So students, this is the poem and this is the content of the poem today I have explained before you. So guys, you open the notebook. Today I don't want to exaggerate this chapter. Next day I will tell you the theme of the poem or the central idea of the poem, and I will give you the questions to solve. But today I am going to give you 10 words. Guys, you note down the 10 words and you search those words and note it down in your copy. So, guys, start. Humid shadows. Humid shadows. Word 2, hover. H-O-V-E-R, hover. Word 3, melancholy. Melancholy. M-E-L-A-N-C-H-O-L-Y. Melancholy. Word 5, bliss. B-L-I-S-S, bliss. Word 6, overhead. Overhead. O-V-E-R-H-E-A-D, overhead. Word 7, shingles. S-H-I-N-G-L-E-S. S-H, H for hut, S-H-I-N-G-L-E-S, shingles. Word 8, word number 8, fancies. F-A-N-C-I-E-S, fancies. Word 9. Woof. W-O-O-F. Woof. W-O-O-F. Woof. And word 10. Recollections. Word 10. Recollections. R-E-C-O-L-L-E-C-T-I-O-N-S. I repeat. R-E-C-O-L-L-E-C-T-I-O-N-S. So guys, 10 words you have noted down, I'm sure. So find out the meanings of these 10 words and note it down in your copy. And definitely I will check you when the school will reopen. So today I have taught you and explained the content of the poem Rain on the Roof, and the poet is Coates-Kenne. The spelling Coates-Kenne, you note down the spelling C-O-A-T-E-S, Coates, C-O-A-T-E-S, Coates, Kenne, K-I-N-N-E-Y. So guys, this much for the day. See you once again the next day. Till then, stay safe, stay home. God bless you. Bye bye.